Hello everyone. Guys, I have got a very interesting question for you today. So, let's say if you have been trading in stock market or let's say you have been investing in stock market for quite some time now, then this one question, ये सवाल कि यार मैं एक इन्वेस्टर हूँ या मैं एक ट्रेडर हूँ, am I an investor or am I a trader? I'm sure that this question at least once might have crossed your mind, right? Since you have been trading or investing in stock market, correct? Now, if you are one of those people जो बोलते हैं कि भाई क्या फर्क गिरता है ट्रेडिंग हो इन्वेस्टिंग हो गोल तो पैसे कमाना है राइट so if you're one of those people then let me tell you very honestly that you are absolutely incorrect. You have got it all wrong, and then this video is perfectly made for you, right? So let's find out why I say so. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning into our channel. My name is Prashant, and I welcome you all to Prism Stocks Trading Academia. Guys, so this interesting question about trading or investing was actually asked by one of our students who is doing the detailed technical analysis course with us, right? And he asked us that, sir, are we traders or are we investors? हम traders है investors है, right? Because we do both intraday as well as positional trading. And sometimes in positional trading, we hold on to the stocks for weeks or months. Now, this is a very innocent question asked by someone who is very new to stock market, right? And like I told you, we either have faced this question in the past or we are facing it in the present, or if you haven't yet, trust me, you will face this question in future, one day or the other, right? And the irony is that many people, especially who are new to stock market, right, they don't even know the difference between trading and investing. उनको पता नहीं है ट्रेडिंग और इन्वेस्टिंग में डिफरेंस क्या है. तो एक ऐसे स्टॉक में एंट्री कर रहे हैं जिसमें कोई मूवमेंट ही नहीं है, राइट? और दे एंटर इनटू अ ट्रेड विच गोज डाउन and then panic sets in and they convert the intraday into delivery. If you're lucky, the stock may come up, it may bounce back in 1 or 2 days or a week. वरना बेटर हो महीने प्रेइंग कि भैया एटलीस्ट बाइंग प्राइस तो आ जा, राइट? And then there are people who want to do investing. They also take trade into fundamentally good strong companies, but then keep on monitoring the portfolio every day, right? एंड जब मार्केट नीचे आता है देखते हैं कि भाई नेगेटिव जा रहा है, पैनिक में के दे स्क्वायर ऑफ, राइट? ओनली टू नो दैट इन फ्यू वीक्स और फ्यू मंथ्स वही कंपनी के प्राइस सेलिंग प्राइस छोड़ो ओरिजिनल बाइंग प्राइस के काफ़ी ऊपर चला गया, राइट? एंड देन देर आर पीपल जिनके लिए एक सवाल इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, लाइक आई टोल्ड यू, राइट? वो बोलते हैं कि भाई ट्रेडिंग हो या इन्वेस्टिंग हो क्या फ़र्क गिरता है, गोल तो पैसे बनाना है, राइट? द गोल इज टू मेक मनी. नाउ when someone tells me that the goal is to make money, trust me, मेरे लिए ये एक बहुत ही undefined statement है. It's an incomplete statement. What do you mean by goal is to make money? I mean, हर बंदा या बंदी जो स्टॉक मार्केट में आता है उसका गोल पैसे बनाना ही है. And let me be honest, and I'm sorry, but even the person who gambles in stock market, even his goal is to make money, right? तो गोल पैसे बनाना इट्स एन इनकम्प्लीट और अनडिफाइंड गोल, राइट? यू नीड टू गो वन लेवल डीपर एंड अंडरस्टैंड कि आपका गोल क्या है, राइट? आपका रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है बेसिकली. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट्स से इफ यू आर यंग टुडे एंड यू विश दैट व्हेन आई ग्रो ओल्ड आई शुड हैव सम कॉर्पस अमाउंट. बुढ़ापे में मेरे पास अच्छे पैसे होने चाहिए. इन दैट केस द बेस्ट सोल्यूशन टू यू इज ऑफकोर्स इन्वेस्टिंग. Find some fundamentally strong companies, invest the money and forget it, right? बट अगर आप बोलते हो कि नहीं यार मेरी रिक्वायरमेंट ये है कि हर हफ्ते में सैलरी मेरे कुछ पैसे स्टॉक मार्केट से बनने चाहिए, राइट? आई वांट टू अर्न सम अमाउंट ऑफ मनी एवरी वीकली और मंथली थ्रू स्टॉक मार्केट, देन ऑफ कोर्स द बेस्ट सोल्यूशन फॉर यू शुड डू ट्रेडिंग, इंट्राडे और मे बी क्विक शॉर्ट टर्म पोजिशनल ट्रेडिंग, राइट? सो यू नीड टू हैव अ वेल डिफाइंड गोल, एंड दैट इज व्हेन समबडी टेल्स मी that my goal is to make money, मैं पूछता हूँ कि नो सॉरी आई डिडंट अंडरस्टैंड आपका गोल क्या है. एंड आई कीप ऑन आस्किंग द क्वेश्चन आपका गोल क्या, आपका गोल क्या, आपका गोल क्या, until the person understands what is his goal. So to answer the question whether we are traders or investors, or should we become trader or should we become investor, you need to understand two things. First, your goal, your requirement, like I told you, because your requirement becomes your goal, and based on your goal you need to choose whether I should become a trader or I should become an investor. Second is your mindset, because a trader ka mindset and an investor ka mindset is very different, or it has to be very different, right? So today I'll quickly help you understand the difference between trading and investing, और इसमें हम गोल की बात भी करेंगे, and I'll also tell you that what is an ideal mindset of a trader and what is an ideal mindset of an investor. Then perhaps it will be easy for you to choose what you should be or what you are. तो इस हम फर्स्ट बात करेंगे इन्वेस्टिंग के बारे में, राइट? सो द गोल ऑफ इन्वेस्टिंग इज टू ग्रेजुअली बिल्ड योर वेल्थ ओवर एन एक्सटेंडेड पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. ना जब हम एक्सटेंडेड पीरियड ऑफ टाइम की बात कर रहे हैं, ईयर आई मीन लॉन्ग टर्म, मे बी 5, 10, 15, 20, आई डोंट नो, राइट? बट द आइडिया ये है कि हर 1-2 साल के बाद you keep on investing into fundamentally strong companies, right? या हर 1 या 2 साल के बाद you keep on increasing your stake into those stocks जो आपने already खरीद लिए हो, right? Advantage of perks like interest, dividends and stock splits, right? Now guys, stock split is a fantastic concept. Very soon you're going to come up with a video on this, so stay tuned. Since we're talking about long term, like 15-20 years or even 10 years, right? The current market fluctuation should not affect you. बिकॉज अगर आज मार्केट थोड़ा नीचे भी गया है, वी नो और वी अज्यूम दैट इन नेक्स्ट 1 ईयर 2 ईयर्स के बाद मार्केट वापस ऊपर आएगा एंड विल गो इवन हायर. सो द करंट डाउन ट्रेंड और द करंट मार्केट फॉल should not affect you, right? Now to choose a good fundamentally strong company, you will depend on the market fundamentals like your price to earning ratio, your PE ratio, right? Management reports like your forecast, your profit and loss statements, right? Quarterly or yearly annual reports, correct? Now there are 6 types of investing that you can do: growth investing, value investing, income investing, dividend growth investing, contrarian investing, and index investing. Now quickly, let's go one by one. So the first one is growth investing, short term and long term. So here the investors choose the holding period depending on what kind of value they want to create in their portfolio, right? So for example, let's say they identify a fundamentally strong company और उनको पता है कि भाई आगे जाके ये कंपनी बहुत ग्रो होने वाली है, the intrinsic value of the stock is going to go up, right? Then they'll invest into these companies. हम लॉन्ग टर्म की बात कर रहे हैं. Yeah, from short term point of view, let's say they identify a fundamentally strong company which is currently working on some fantastic product, and they know that कि अगले 1 या 2 साल में ये product launch करेगी, and the moment the company launches this product, right, the stock value will go up. So in this case, they'll invest into this companies for short term, maybe 1 or 2 years, right? So here the important entity is the holding period, right? So for example, let's say I want to purchase a house in next 2 years, or my kids are in school right now. I want to give them a better higher education, or maybe a retirement plan. So the holding period is the key entity over here, right? Next is value investing. Now, value investing involves a strategy where you invest into all those companies by looking at the intrinsic value of stock, because these companies are currently undervalued in stock market और हमको पता है कि stock market में correction होते रहता है. So in the next correction, right, the stock prices of these companies will shoot up, leaving the investors high returns when they sell the shares. By the way, this is one of the key strategies used by the great legendary Warren Buffett himself, right? Well, you can thank me later for this. So next is income investing. Now here the strategy is not to grow value in your portfolio, but to basically earn through cash income from stocks. Now cash income from stocks are in two forms. One is dividends, and second one is your fixed interest income from bonds, right? So basically जिनको steady income चाहिए, they can choose this strategy. Next is dividend growth investing. Now the name itself tells you that basically invest into all those fundamentally strong companies who have been paying out dividends year after year. See, the idea is that if a company has a good track record of paying dividends year after year, It simply means that the company is quite stable and less volatile as compared to other companies, right? And there's a very good chance that the dividends may increase going further. Now, one interesting concept that people do over here is that they reinvest the dividends and benefit from the compounding effect, right? So next is contrarian investing. Now here the strategy is very simple. You buy the stocks of all the fundamental strong companies, of course, when the market is falling. This is the market crash, there's a recession, there's pandemic, right? So if you look at last year, thanks to COVID-19, there's a huge market crash. So the strategy here involves that you purchase the stocks at lower price, and when the market bounces back, you sell them at higher price. But guys, don't just blindly buy any stocks. Buy stocks of those companies which are fundamentally strong at a lower price, right? So that is contrarian investing. The last one is index investing. Now, here the strategy involves where you purchase smaller portion of market indexes, right? And trust me, guys, this is one of the fantastic ways. So if you look at SDFC index fund, right, Sensex plan, the 5-year return is almost 15.4%, and in 3 year it is 17.6, right? So this is also a good way of investing into indexes. So guys, these are the 6 investing strategies investors use to invest their money. Next, we move on to trading. So trading basically involves frequent transactions and short-term strategies, right, to buy and sell. Basically, leverage the market fluctuations and maximize returns, maybe daily, weekly, monthly, or quarterly, right? So it's very simple. Profits are generated, we all know, by buying at a lower price and selling at a high price, right, in a short span. Or also the reverse way, which is nothing but you're short selling, where you sell at a higher price and buy the same at a lower price when the market is falling, right? So here traders often use technical tools like your moving averages, your stochastic oscillators to find high probability trading setups, right? What is important here is that an investor may settle, may contend with an return of 10-15%, but traders, they might seek 10% return every month, right? So position trader is a trader who will hold his position from weeks to months. A swing trader will hold his position from days to a week to get that big swing if there is any in the market, right? A day trader may hold position throughout the day, but very importantly not overnight. And scalp trader is a person, is a trader who will use seconds to maybe minutes to get his profit, but again not overnight, right? So that's very quickly trading, right? Position trader, swing trader, day trader, and scalp trader. So now that you guys understand the difference between trading and investing from a goal perspective, from a requirement perspective, let us quickly look into one more important point that differentiates a trader from an investor, and that is nothing but his mindset, his or her mindset. अब mindset इतना important क्यों है और what is the ideal mindset for a trader or investor? Allow me to help you understand this with a very simple example, right? I'm going to give you an analogy of cricket. Why cricket? Because cricket is another religion in India, right? And we know what is Test series and we know what is T20, right? We understand both of these games very easily. Now, Test series and T20 both are two forms of cricket, and the idea is to score maximum runs for your team to win, right? Exactly like investing and trading. Both are two forms of making money from stock market, and the idea at the end of the day is to make profits, right? So I will tell people that look at Test series as investing and look at T20 as trading, right? But दोनों सेम होने के साथ साथ, right, the Test series and T20 as in cricket, right, the game is different, the duration is different, the rules are different, and that is why the demands of the game are different, right? And therefore the player's mindset is very different. A Test series player's mindset is very different from a T20 player mindset. It has to be. See, a Test series player knows कि भाई he has got unlimited number of balls to play, right? If he wants, he can play there for 2-3 days as well, right? He has got enough time to settle down. अगर कोई bad patch में आता है, he can just play it over and then score the runs on some bad overs from the opponent, right? उसको पता है कि I don't need to hit a boundary or a sixer on every ball. बेसिकली उसको पता है कि उसे यहाँ पे लंबी रेखा घोड़ा बनना है. A T20 player, on the other hand, he knows that he has only 20 overs. Every ball counts. He literally has very short time or actually no time to settle also. If given a chance, he will try to hit a boundary or sixer on every ball, right from the first ball, right? Basically, he knows that he has to make his presence felt. So दोनों गेम सेम है, बट दोनों गेम खेलने के लिए जो माइंडसेट चाहिए, what is required, right? Psychological demands are very different, right? Now guys, imagine karo if all the players having test series mindset play T20, or all the players having T20 mindset play test series, क्या होगा? Correct? और जैसे मैंने बोला, right, investing is like test series and trading is like T20. So यहाँ पे भी, even though they are the same form of generating money from stock market, your mindset has to be different. So I'm going to very quickly tell you some personality traits which are ideal for a trader and which are ideal for investor. And you try to identify where do you fall in, right? So on left we have got investing and on right we have got trading. So guys, if you are aggressive in nature, right, you like to take the bull by its horn, then you have to do trading. But if you are usually calm, composed, you would love to wait for the bull to come towards you, then आप better investing कर लो, right? If you're impatient, right, you can't wait or you can't hold for long, trading is a good choice for you. But if patience is your key, right, then investing is a better alternative for you. If you love market volatility, right, if you love the market fluctuations, if it gives you an adrenaline rush, it's 100% trading for you. But if you love market stability, don't like the up and downs, definitely investing. Correct? If you love fast movement stocks, trading. But if you love steady movement stocks, investing. If you are a risk taker, you love to take calculated risks, then be a good choice for trading. But if risk is not your forte, आपको रिस्क लेना पसंद नहीं है, भाई भी इन्वेस्टिंग कर लो. If you are good in taking quick decisions, because a trader has to take quick decisions on the go, कब एंट्री करना है, कब एग्जिट करना है, स्टॉप लॉस का रखना है, right, to maximize profits or to prevent losses. But if you are a person who likes to analyze, think, ponder over your decisions, लेना है कि नहीं लेना है, investing. If you love frequent returns, right, trading. And if you love compounding interest where you invest, you reinvest your profits again into shares, investing. So guys, now you see all the personality traits that is ideal for investing and all the traits that are ideal for trading. Now you see where do you fit in, right? So guys, with whatever we have discussed so far, I think now you'll be able to answer the question that whether you're a trader or whether you're an investor, right? Or whether you should do trading or whether you should do investing. Great. So guys, before we end this video, I remember that we started this video with a question from one of our students. And I would love to end this video with another interesting question from one of our students. So when we had conducted this session with our students, at the end of session, one student had raised a question that, sir, what if I want both? He said that he is in his mid 30s and he would love to have a corpus amount in his 50s. And he would also love to have a steady weekly and monthly income. He said, can we have that? Is it possible to do that? Smart question, right? After all, we do have some players who are equally good in T20 and Test series, right? But of course, इतना simple नहीं है, ये उनको experience आया है इतने सालों के experience के बाद, right? So here is my interesting tip to all those people and perhaps to only those people who have some significant experience in stock market, who are good in fundamental analysis and who are good in technical analysis. Very importantly, they have learned to control the emotion. They have learned to adapt their mindset. तो अगर आप इन कैटेगरी में बैठते हो, right, and you have some good amount of money lying idle with you, then I would suggest you that probably you put 80 to 90% of this money into long-term investment. तो put the money and forget it. ऐसे behave करना कि ये पैसे कभी आपके पास थे ही नहीं, right? And the remaining 20 to 10%, you could start trading, wherein you could start earning profits every weekly, every monthly, and enjoy the best of both the worlds, investing as well as trading. So that's all in this video, guys. I think everything is clear, everything is perfect now, right? So guys, please, if you love the video, like and share. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have not. Hit the bell icon to get the future notifications of our videos. We're going to make a lot of videos like this, right? Share your comments and questions if you have any. We would love to address them. Thank you so much, guys, and please take care. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.